Everyone, is Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I have a brand new box to my channel, as you can see, called Trendmood. Now, this is a new makeup subscription box to the beauty world, and it's really a unique box. It's different from all the other ones that are out there. And so let me explain the quick and easy details about this so you guys can understand how this box works. This box is not a subscription box. What you do is you will go on their website and you give them your email. Every month, Trendmood is going to send you an email and they're going to tell you everything that's in the box. Now, I believe this has been like the fourth or fifth box that they have sent out, and so far they were running around $60 a box. But each month has different launches and different products, so it's priced accordingly. But this month is the e.l.f. Skin Hydration Box, which this one was only $25. So, priced accordingly, I thought this would be a great time for me to jump headfirst into it and try this box out. Now, shipping is free in the US, but I think Alaska and Hawaii, the shipping varies, so check into that if you're from those areas. And also Canada and Europe, they do ship, but the shipping varies with you guys also, and you have to pay custom fees and all that. So if you're from those areas, definitely check into that. But besides that, shipping's free. It came very quickly. I was so shocked. I think it launched on a Thursday, and I had it sitting on my porch on a Sunday. Yeah, so I've had it for a couple days. I can't wait to open and share it with you guys. So let's go ahead and get straight into that. I will leave all the information down in the description box, and hopefully that will help you guys figure out if I forgot anything, and we'll continue to give you more details. Okay, so let me try to open this. Okay, well, now this looks cute. This is the way it looks. It has a little scan me. I'm going to have to do that later, and I will tell you at the end of the video what happened when I did that. But this is how it comes. It's nicely wrapped. So I'm going to pull this down here, and I'm going to open it, and I'm going to put the products up here so you guys can see what is in this box. So first off, I'm going to say everything was very nicely wrapped in the bubble wrap, which is awesome. And I also noticed when you first open it, they send you a card with all the products that are in the box. Like I said, the email told me everything's in the box. But also they send this card and they tell you the retail value also of everything that's in here. So I went ahead and I got everything ready to show you guys. So I'm going to start with the first product, which is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Cleansing Balm. And this is a new product from their line. And I went ahead and opened it so we could get straight into it and I could show it to you. Now what I'm going to do is put it up here so you guys can see. It comes with a little spoon, and this is what it looks like. And I'm sure we've all used cleansing balms before, but let me tell you all about this. What it says about this one, it says, a 2-in-1 makeup remover and face cleanser that instantly melts away your makeup while removing impurities and cleansing the skin. Its solid balm melts into luxurious oil and turns into a nourishing milk texture that rinses off clean. Formulated with hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and peptides, leaving your skin feeling silky smooth and plumped with hydration. Magic words, every single one of those. And this cleansing balm is running for $10, and this is a new product line from e.l.f. All right, so there is another cleansing lotion, and this one is Holy Hydration Daily Cleanser. And what this one values at $6. And what they are saying about this is a gel-based soft foaming cleanser that helps wash away excess oil, impurities, and makeup. This hydrating cleanser contains skin-loving ingredients, once again, hyaluronic acid and ceramides, leaving the skin feeling moisturized and clean. Those two ingredients, hyaluronic acid and ceramides, are really important ingredients to have in skincare lines. I found that almost every skincare product that I have that have those products in it, especially hyaluronic acid, it just holds the moisture in your skin, and I'm really a big fan of hyaluronic acid. Okay, so then after that, I guess after you choose which one you want to wash your face with, the next thing you would do is they have a toner. And this is a retail value of $8. And what they are saying about this is keep your balanced hydrating toner. And it says remove impurities and refreshes the skin with, here we go again, hyaluronic acid, witch hazel, and aloe. Aloe very much soothes the skin. It's an awesome product too. The result is soft, fresh, and balanced skin. So I know after you wash, you definitely want to put on a toner before you put any of your creams or lotions on. Okay, so now the next item out is this, and this is your face cream that they include, which as you can see is a good size container too. And I've already opened this because I was hoping it would go by a little quicker if I did, but it's not, but we're just gonna go with it, folks. Okay, so here is the Holy Hydration Face Cream. I'm gonna open it and, oh, I just got my finger stuck in it, but that's the way it looks. It looks like a nice white, your normal typical face cream, no scent at all. I smell nothing, which is great for sensitive people to fragrances. And what this says, and wait, what's the price of this? This is running at $12. And what they are saying about this is face cream, silky smooth cream, maintains skin's moisture balance while protecting it with skin supporting peptides. With beneficial ingredients like squalene, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and peptide complex, this nourishing cream quickly seeps into skin for smooth, non-greasy moisture and soft, subtle skin. Okay, first off, I just put a little bit on my fingers and where the lotion was or the cream. It's very soft and silky, so I like that it doesn't have a strong smell, because there is nothing worse than at night you go to put a cream on and you smell scents. I don't know about you, but I don't like strong scents in my face creams. Okay, so we have one more product, and I'm not too sure about this product, so we're gonna learn about this one together. What this is called is Boosting Drops Hydrating. So hydrating booster drops. And these are running at $10. And what it says about this, it says lightweight for instant hydration to help create plump looking skin. Can be used alone or added into any foundation, liquid, or cream. And it's infused with a vitamin E. So you can add this into your foundation. So to give it a little bit more, it'll give your skin more hydration if you add it to your foundation. So I find that very fascinating. So I'm going to have fun playing with that one also. So if you add all this up, 10, 20, 30, 40, $46. I paid $25 for this. If I just added that up right in my head, I hope I did. My math is not my strongest skill in life. I'm happy with this, and I feel like I'm going to have a lot of good products, and it's going to be great, a great line to try. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video to show my new Trends box, and until next time, I hope you guys have a lovely day. Bye-bye.